I'm only human, and I bleed when I fall down. I'm only human, and I crash and I break down. Your words in my head, knives in my heart. You build me up and then I fall apart. 'Cause I'm only human.
I've designed a great exterior, put on a great facade, but it's only a matter of time before you notice I'm a fraud. You see, I walk around wearing this mask that I built to hide from the world all this pain that I felt. Nobody sees the nights I spend lying in my bed, thinking to myself that I'd be better off dead. They only see the happy me, the Mikey that survived. They should've had my funeral, 'cause I've already died. There's a chink inside the armor, a crack inside the shell. If I readjust the mask enough, then they will never tell that I've been lying to you all ever since that day. I have never been alright and I will never be okay. I really tried my very best, I promise you I did, but it's hard to make it through with all these thoughts inside my head. I've been living day to day, feeling his blood on my hands. Wish you'd take this cape from me, because I'm tired of playing Superman. Be the same again. I feel the pain again. It replays like a movie in my head again. Why won't it stop? Why can't I have a release? Got me feeling like my only way out is rest in peace, and I'll admit it, yeah, I tried it. I tried to end it all, and I would have been successful if I hadn't made the call to the only other person that knew just where I was. Playing with the razor blade, laying in the tub. I didn't say goodbye to anyone, I couldn't face it, and at the moment it didn't feel like a mistake. It felt right, it felt just. I deserved to die alone, laying in a puddle of my blood. What have I done? These scars will never heal, and I don't want them to. I just want to crawl inside the ground and cuddle next to you. You have no idea how much I've missed you since you've been gone, and it's 10 times as worse knowing it's all my fault.